Hey there everyone, I'm going to do a video of my water heater. I've seen others like YouTubers JK18 and a couple other YouTubers done videos on water. Also, Smurf Fishy done their water heater. This water heater is a Bradford White Corporation water heater. I'm not sure which year this water heater is on. We insulated it. And here, it has a standing pilot, as you can see, as most water heaters do. They still do. And temperature reading's like on the B setting. I'm just thinking, as you can see, it has a traditional pilot, as most water heaters do. It's an old water heater. It's me. Any questions about the brand you may have is this brand is, it's a Bradford White insulation. I don't know how old this water heater I don't know how old this water heater is, but it's an old one. Yeah. But I don't know how old. If someone could please help me by telling me in the comments which year is this water heater from, that will help me a lot. Just in case you didn't get a good peep, there is Bradford White. Bradford White. This water is a very good one. Beautiful pilot flame. Probably the main thing is the water heater. Again, I don't know what that clear thing is for. The clear looking thing like right there is for.